got the grace. Yeah. Life and every other thing to fall into place. Yeah.
No, I don't see it often, and I probably should have told you I hurt this bad, and I probably shouldn't want this so bad, yeah. It's weighing on me. Don't wanna wake up in the morning. Cannot undo what we did in this past. And I can't get you out, so I gotta go. No, I'm not ready for you. Want me all alone, but I'm undecided, excited, ignited.
Hey beautiful, welcome to another episode of Inspired By, where I recreate some beautiful, exciting and fun hairstyles from your favorite celebrities, influencers and content creators. And today's look is inspired by the one and only South Africa's queen, Bonang Matheba. I was shocked when I saw this picture on her Instagram. Like, Bonang is known for her long, sleek, middle part lace wigs. They look amazing on her, and some big, really full curly hair. So I was really shocked to see color on her, and I was really excited to see it. And I was like, you know what, I definitely need to recreate this look. So today's tutorial is going to be very beginner friendly. I will be using watercolor hair dye from She, the South African Hair Emporium. It's going to be very easy for anyone who would like to achieve this type of look. And today's video is kindly sponsored by WorldNewHair. They were kind enough to send over an ear-to-ear lace frontal wig, a 613 wig, which is perfect for colorful hair looks. As always, please remember to get rid of all the yellow tones by using some purple shampoo and then going ahead and using the watercolor method to create today's look. Without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it.
Yo, Travis, hit him with that guitar, man.
I felt my heart is in Havana, nah, nah. She took me back to East Atlanta, nah, nah. Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunting, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Oh, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like some socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can. They call me Cardi, body, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali, Turco, Ferrari. I hop out the store, jump in the coupe, then tripping on top of the roof, flexing on haters as hard as I can. Eating a lot, driving the lamb. Told that, oh, I'm sorry though, bout my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio. Diamond district in the jag.
I like it like that.
Certified, I know I'm gang.
I like it like that.
Drop the top and blow your brains.
I like it like that.
She looking sexy, what's her name?
I like it like that.
I need the dollars.
I like it like that.
Beat it up like Kenyatta.
I like it like that.
Tell the try to close the curtains.
I like it like that.
That bitch make you nervous.
Low, reload, but don't pull the trigger. While you buy them Jordans, they give them to me as gifts. I spend in the club what you have in the bank. This is the new religion, bang, and Latino gang. Yeah, I try to die, yeah. But in the closet, I got too much grease. Already moved all the Gucci stuff into my house. Nobody knows you're not even in Plaza. The devil calls me, but my Lord Jesus Christ, he hugs me. Warrior like Stephen Curry, I call the shots. Me gusta boricua, me gusta cubanas. Me gusta the accents on all Colombians, yeah. Love when Dominican shit get in my face. Venezuelans are so delicious to me. Ooh, baby, we laugh, baby. $100 bills all up in my briefcase. Let the bitch drop just like if it was D-Base, yeah. Love is forbidden here, tell them to carry on. I just be doing my thing. When I walk into the club, the riot be starting, yeah.
I felt my heart is in Havana, nah, nah. She took me back to East Atlanta, nah, nah. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about her manners, Havana. She didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When I came in, she asked me if she was my type of woman, but I can't with that. I knew her forever in a minute. That's summer night, and mommy said she got some malo in it. She got me feeling like, ooh. She knew it when she met him. She loved him when she left him. Ooh, and now she had to tell him I had to go. Diamond district in the jag.
I like it like that.
Certified, I know I'm gay.
I like it like that.
Drop the top and blow your brains.
I like it like that.
She looking sexy, what's her name?
I like it like that.
Day to night to morning, keep with me in the moment. I'd let you had I known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice, no bunches left to.
And this is the final look. I am very happy with how it turned out. You guys can see I have the mint green there. I've got some of that blue going into a darker blue and then into that dark purple. And this is an ear to ear lace frontal wig. So this means I can always go ahead and tie it up. I can open a side part. I can do anything and everything I want to do. So big shout out to WorldNewHair for sending over this wig. I am so happy with the final look. Using the watercolor method, guys, is really great. You get that colorful look without all the hard labor. And if you want to have a multicolored wig like this, where you have various colors in it, the watercolor method can still work for that as well. It's not just for solid single colors. You can literally create so many different looks using the watercolor method. So as I said, today's video is sponsored by WorldNewHair. Look at this packaging. I am loving how hair companies are getting rid of hair boxes and using these satin drawstring bags. These are reusable, which is really great for the environment, and they keep your wig in great condition. Do not throw this away. Keep your wig in here. It's going to keep it in great condition. And it just says a virgin hair, high quality and affordable price, which is all true. And they have their Instagram at WorldNewHair, their Facebook at WorldNewHair, and they also are on YouTube at WorldNewHair. Now, I was shocked at the things that came with this wig. Really impressed. So it comes with these lovely lashes. I did look at like Bonang's look and I felt like she used like just a medium natural lash. So I was going to wear these, but I felt like it would distract away from the look, because the series is about recreating a look by your favorite celebrity or your favorite content creator or influencer. Okay, so although the lashes are lovely, I could not use them for today's look. And then they have one of these wig bands, which I am so excited that I have a nice clear one. So that's what it looks like. I did use wig glue for today's tutorial, but if you do not want to use wig glue, people have been raving about these, so I am looking forward to trying it. And it does come with the little instructions on how to use this. This is really exciting. Then it also does come with a wig cap. For today's tutorial, I did not use a wig cap, and they also just have that information, and you can actually create a review and get some cash back, which is really exciting. So they have all that information at the back for you guys. So if you really love their hair, you want to purchase again and you want a little bit of a discount, just create a review and you can get some discounts as well. They also have a discount code over here. Wow, this is really like a lot of discounts. Okay, and then they have one of these, which a lot of people use when they style their wig, and you can also use this when you're going to sleep and you want to just keep your edges in place. This is really great. So this hair is 22 inches and I absolutely love this hair. I only had one issue with this hair. The inside of the wig, where you have your elastic at the back, the adjustable strap, they stitched it onto the wig cap. So I had to unpick it with an unpicker so I could actually use the adjustable strap. So I think that may be an error with my wig alone. If you have purchased any of that 613 wigs, let me know if you could move your adjustable strap at the back. So that strap at the back that you adjust, that was stitched onto the wig. So instead of ending their stitches by the cap, they went onto the elastic as well. So I had to unpick that. That was my only issue, but simply just cutting it off worked. And I don't know if there was an error for all of their wigs or if it was just my wig that had an error. But other than that, this took color so well. It took heat so well. You guys saw that I used a crimper. I don't want to run my fingers through it because I really wanted to have that defined look. When I was looking at Bonang's look, it was very defined, and I really want to keep that look in. I'm really, really happy that I was able to achieve this look. And it's so exciting to see our South African celebrities trying something different other than the typical like black lace wig. I love color, you guys know that, and it's really exciting just to see Bonang trying a different look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All the information for the lace wig will be in the description box from WorldNewHair. A big shout out to them once again for sponsoring today's video. I am so happy with this hair, really happy with the quality, and I love that it took color and heat so well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's any celebrity, content creator or influencer's hair that you absolutely love and you want me to recreate it and create a step-by-step tutorial for you, let me know. DM me at shopnamalina on Instagram. I would love to see which looks you want me to recreate, and I might just recreate it in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I don't see it often, and I probably should have told you I hurt this bad, and I probably shouldn't want this so bad, yeah. It's weighing on me, don't wanna wake up in the morning